like like damn, like my pasta better be ready because I'm looking yummy. Oh yo, like this chocolates, you know.
Hi, it's your girl Hetty Amos.
Hi, what's up? It's your girl Hetty Amos of Hetty's Beauty Parlor. You know what it is. Okay, so I'm looking yummy. So I want to say thank you. If you are new here, welcome, and to my old service, welcome back. And thank you for always coming back for more. So today, as usual, I am going to church, and I did this sassy look, you know, natural but with a bold lip. So if you are ready, as usual, I don't wear lashes. I'll wear lashes when I want to, but I'm going to church. And even on a normal day, I don't wear lashes. So like, yeah, I love this. I love this. I love this. So see you guys in my next video. I want to say thank you. Keep watching my videos. There are a whole lot of variety stuffs coming here. If you want me to show more of my clients' work, okay, I'm going to show you. If you want to see more of me, I'm coming with pranks. I'm coming with a lot of videos. So hey, I want to say thank you for always supporting Hetty Amos. You know what it is. Okay, so I'm feeling myself. Yes, I'm going to church. Yeah, I'm looking yummy. I am looking yummy. If you want to know how I look, you know, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. And dear red viewers, click on it. You know what I mean? See ya.
Hi, what's up, everybody? It's your girl Hetty Amos. Okay, so as usual, I have already laid my frontal braided wig. If you want to know how I installed this, there is a link in the description box on how I installed my frontal braided wig. So what I'm using to prime my face is LA Girls face primer. I don't like writing, you know, in the description box because I prefer you listen so that you get to know the names that I'm mentioning. So this is a normal brown pencil from Davis Cosmetics on Amazon, or you can use any brown pencil of your choice. And then as usual, I'm using Makeup Revolution's stick foundation in the shade F13. That is what I use in outlining and defining my brows. So this is a regular normal routine. Some of you ask me why I don't use LA Girl to, you know, outline my brows. I don't like the consistency of LA Girl. LA Girl tends to become watery, and then it is, I just don't like how it is. Sorry. So I prefer using this. This is very creamy and I love how consistent it is, and this costs less and it comes in handy. Yeah, so I'm using the same brand Makeup Revolution, their new foundation line. This is in the shade F14. So the concealer shade I use is a shade lighter than my foundation shade. My foundation shade here is F14, and even that, it looked kind of, you know, gray to me, but it oxidizes and then it's later blended well into my skin. So just watch and then I'll come back as needed. Okay, so I use the same stick foundation by Makeup Revolution F13, and then I use, you know, light, you know, punches on my face because the foundation looked a bit whiter for me in the camera, but in real pictures it was okay. So I didn't take a lot of, I didn't go overboard with the highlighting. I just highlighted underneath my eyes, and then the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and then my T-zone area. And then I'm setting it always as usual with my Sasha translucent powder. One thing you need to know about makeup is that you don't necessarily have to be changing your products if they work for you. And Sasha translucent powder works for me. I use another range for my clients, for my works. It works for me, and I see no reason for me to change it. So avoid spending a lot on makeup by using only the product that work for you. So in the course of setting the highlighted areas, I also set my brows. I dab the brush on my brows to keep it dry, because we are in summer season and I want to have this makeup to be as matte as possible. I'm using PS makeup. PS is by Primark. I bought this from Primark shop, and then it's in the shade Cocoa or something. I'll write it on the screen. And that is what I use to chisel my cheeks, give some definition, because when you do foundation, all the features of your face diminish. So bringing back the features of your face, you use a contouring shade. You don't need a bronzer. You can use a darker face powder, so you can see the difference. So now I'm also, thinning my nose, so you can see. So you basically highlight and contour with a darker shade to bring back your features, and then highlight to bring, light onto your face. So you can see the foundation blended well into my skin now, and then the contouring is, I also do this on my jawline just to create some definition. So you can see some places are highlighted, some places are contoured, and they are dark. That is what makes you look very natural. So I'm now using my normal face powder shade to dab excess powder off my face. So I go back with the Sasha translucent powder to, inverse contour or inverse highlights. To bring back some, chiselness on my face, and then go back to the highlighted areas just to bring back those features back. So I blend as I go. I blend with my neck, and then my dress is off shoulder, so I'll try and blend in everything. So I go back with a contouring brush to just, minimize the look of harsh lines. This is how I love my makeup. Very simple. So this black pencil is also from PS Makeup. That is what I'm using to underline the waterline area. And then this liner is from AliExpress. I don't have the link to this shop or the seller I bought it from, but any liner is okay. You don't necessarily have to use the product that people mention. Use what you have. Makeup is about the technique, not the product, okay? Okay, so this mascara is also from PS. As I always don't go with lashes most of the time, like 99% of the time I do makeup without lashes. I prefer it this way, but don't worry, I'll come back using lashes for you to see. So I use Vaseline to moisturize my lips before, especially when I'm going to put on a mattifying lippy. So I'm going on with a brown pencil, the same pencil I used to draw my brows, that is what I'm using to outline my lips, to contour it. I'm creating an ombre look with this hot, BH Cosmetics lippy. So yeah, I love this lipstick. Like, who said dark-skinned girls can't rock hot lippy? So I love the consistency, and guys, it makes my look so different. Like, just watch and see the sassiness. So I go back with the brown pencil, to contour them more and make it look, have that ombre look. And yeah, we are good to go. So yeah, I have this 24 carats, gold highlighter that I ordered from Amazon. I'll write the link in the description box. I use some on my tear dots, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, to highlight my lip there. And then, my brow bone, yeah. So what I'm delivering today is use what you have, and don't necessarily be buying products for buying them sake. I used to be a fan of just buying anything that comes in town, but it is of no sense. I am telling you, I'm a makeup artist and I only stick to the product that work. So yeah, most of my makeup tutorials or videos, you see me using almost the same thing. It is to tell you that you can use what you have. So I'm highlighting, my chin, like, is it my chin line? I don't know. This is what I'm doing. I suck in my breath and then highlight, because the dress is off shoulder to pop, and So I'm mattifying my face with this PS makeup mattifying spray. And voila, I love this braid. Listen, this is wig. It's a wig I made in Ghana. I'll leave in the description box the link to the person's Instagram account. I laid this. If you want to know how I achieved this, installation, I'll also leave it in the description box. Yeah, or watch my previous video to see how I installed this wig. By the way, I love this, but I think I want to look more glam, more dramatic. So I would want to change my earring. Yes, I was just being crazy overboard with the highlighting. Yeah, so I've changed into this sassy. This is in trend. This earring is in trend. I ordered mine from AliExpress. I'll check to see if I have the link, then I'll put it in the description box. So thank you for watching. It's your girl Hetty Amens, and follow me on Instagram to see pictures of this look at Hetty Amens on Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for always coming back for more. I promise you, I'm gonna serve you and serve you with sassiness. Like, I'm looking yummy. Thank you. It's your girl Hetty Amens.